Today, guys, we're going to be looking at my dream setup, or what I would get for my dream setup. So let's start out with the PC. So for the PC CPU, I would probably go with an AMD. So let's change that to an AMD. And I would probably go with a Ryzen 7 7800X 3D and a CPU cooler, probably a NZXT Kraken Elite, but a black one. NZXT. All right. Now, motherboard would be probably choose an AM5 motherboard, and I would want to do a probably an ATX build. TX, yep. So I'd go with the AM5B 650 with Wi-Fi. This is a black build, so should be good. And I'm thinking we go with a Corsair Vengeance RGB, and I want to do two of those so we fill up all the slots. Now for the storage, I would do a 2 terabyte. I don't think I need more than that. Video card. This one, I think I would go with I would either go with the 4070 Super or a 78 XT. But I think I'm going to have to go with the 7800 XT because it is a bit cheaper. Now, a case, I would probably choose a RGB case with like pre-installed fans. I don't think the case really matters as long as it's good and it can give me enough airflow and stuff. So I'm just gonna go with the Corsair. Let's see this. Yep, I think the Corsair one works. Next, the power supply. Power supply. I think we need at least 582. So let's go with the 650-watt power supply. But in this case, let's just go with the 750-watt power supply. And then I'm not going to choose an operating system because there's so many websites where you can get like operating systems for like 20 bucks. And then a monitor, I'm not going to choose a monitor here because I want to go through the proper things in Amazon. So let's go gaming 1440p monitor with 240 hertz. I think this could be a 4K gaming uh monitor. We could do that, but for now I think this would be proper. I think it would work for us. I think a 27-inch curved gaming monitor. Yeah. So I'm gonna do the AOC, this name, yes, 27-inch curved gaming monitor. Yeah. But I also want to add a second monitor, which is a 1440 or not 14 1080p gaming monitor with like a little bit less hertz because I want to use this as like my if I'm doing a stream I would have this as a streaming, and I would want this to be 27-inch would be good, but for just like a side monitor I think I would have this to be like a 24-inch. Should probably be better. 170 display size. Yep, this would work. So it would have a display, two displays, and let's do the peripherals. So for a gaming desk, I like the L-shaped gaming desks. There's some good uh tables and chairs these guys have, so I'm gonna get some from over here. Let's see the desks. If they do not have L-shaped desks, then I'm gonna go with a. So I'm gonna just search Amazon. I think the wooden ones look really good from Erger over here, because this one looks like it can actually go up and down, and it has two layers to it, so that's really good. Yeah, I'm gonna have to go with the L-shaped electric standing desk over here, which has a wooden finish. Looks really good. All right, and with the chairs, so we're gonna get Secret Lab chairs, as you can probably guess. They make really good chairs. So I think the stealth one looks really good. I think I'm gonna go with the stealth. So that's 415 or $19. All right, look, it's a good gaming chair. And then let's go with other peripherals. So I think the mount up probably be a good deal. Gaming keyboard to 65%. Wireless gaming keyboard. Let's look at the Red Dragon wireless with backlit. That's good. You can go with this large RGB mousepad because I don't think it matters really. And it has RGB, so I think that's RGB is what I'm looking for really. And these Govee light bars. Nice. They even have a controller. So if I were to get all Govee lights, would this remote be able to control them all? That's the question. I think it would. So I'm gonna add this one. Not huge into headphones. I don't think I'm gonna be getting one. So I think I'm gonna look for a speaker set. So I think the Red Dragon soundbar is gonna be good. Plus it's black. It'll fit in with the entire theme. So next let's look at a gaming mouse. Oh, there is a black one for this one. Which it's a black and gold finish. I think this would be a good mouse. Let's go with a RGB light strip. So an RGB light strip. I think I'm gonna go with the Govee light strips. I'm using just LED light strips without diffuser right now. I think they work well, and I don't really need to think about it that much. So let's see. Room decor. All right. We can do the hexalights, but I want to look at the. I want to see if Govee has like the lights, or it's like bars. Yeah, like these. That is expensive, but they are worth it though. I think that's about it for lights. RGB wireless mics. All right, and never mind. The only one that looks fine is the Logitech, but or the HyperX. So let's just do with wire, because I don't really want to check through all that right now. So I think I'm gonna do one which is like the stand. So I can just move it around, move it away from where my desk setup's gonna be, so it's just out of the way. I think that's about it, right? Let's see. What else do we need for this stuff? We have two monitors. I do not know what else we need. If I'm forgetting anything, guys, don't forget to just put it in the comments. I will read all of them, and that's about it. So let's calculate the total price of everything. So the gaming just PC is around $1,850, and then the total price of Amazon is gonna be around $1,300. So just or let's also add the Stealth Secret Lab chairs. That's gonna be 400. So the total price for Amazon and Secret Labs around $1,700. And then if we add the PC, that's gonna be around a $3,000 price mark. Not gonna do the exact calculations. I'm just gonna put them on screen. And yeah, that's about it for this video, guys. Thank you for watching, and comment down below what I should add to the setup.